This is a mini vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I am Hayana Chanel. Please excuse my niece in the back. In the background, I'm taking my daughter to her dentist appointment. Oh, my sleeves. It is 7:46, guys, and it feels good outside. I got my windows down, not playing the air, getting some fresh air. Yeah, so stay tuned. Guys, we're here. It's not giving with this light. Okay.
I'm pretty sure so big.
I'm gonna walk you in.
Thank you. She's so mean. This little looks.
Hold on, wait.
Scary. What? I'm scared to go give me a needle, mama. A needle.
You don't know what they gonna do?
Someone just hit it deep. It's cold.
Yep.
It's always cold here, guys.
Come up here, over here. Hello.
For Janila?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Ew, that's so nasty. It fell on his back, mama. How did he get up? This is
Like TikTok.
you did.
Yes. Embarrass you.
I'm still need to clean up. You embarrassed the hell out of me.
That needle was hacking long.
It took them 10 to 15 minutes to get her to calm down to even be able to put the needle in her face.
No, I didn't. It took them 3 seconds.
I got little uglies with me.
My mouth's still numb.
We are going to Dollar Tree. Yeah, I'm here for Dollar Tree because I'm looking for them little fake flowers. I want to do these little shorts that I seen for the summertime. What? They over there. That's the only thing I came for.
How you miss it? No. I'm getting some food. I want you some gas.
They really don't got nothing. Like, this store is not stocked. Oh, they got flowers here.
These real?
No, Sophia, why would you ask if they real? And it's on camera.
These are like greeny flowers. No, these are really skin real.
I like these. I'm gonna get some of.
Oh, bro, so.
Oh, I like these. They don't have any daisy. Nothing. This store is empty. I don't think
What the? I don't know.
Older man, humble and cocky. They try to copy, give me the money. I need my greens like it's broccoli. I ain't trying to board on the budget. Man, I got drip like a hole in the bucket. Pull up with a coupe, they just.
This is a mini vlog. I am actually going, me and my kids are going to go see Inside Out 2.
Hello. Taking down my hair.
She will take down her hair because we're going at 5. And it is, let's see, it's 2:15 right now. So I'm about to find my clothes and I'm about to get ready, do my baby hair, cause baby, Shout out to my face from the last video. It looks really good. It's cleared up. Yes. So we missed the 3:30 show. So we're gonna be going to I'm sorry, we missed the 5:15 show. So we're gonna be going to the 7 o'clock show at 6:18. I'm not putting on any makeup because I'm going to the movies. Yeah, but no lashes, but I am going to do my edges and I'm going to dress comfortable. And me and the kids want to do the TikTok when everyone picks a color and dress like the character of the movie. So we'll see you soon. My daughter doing my edges. Y'all see my leaves fell back there on my backdrop. It look a mess. Babies. Okay, I hope you know what you're doing. Ow, what the?
I didn't know. It's like some hairs that's down.
Yeah, but you can see, so you definitely shouldn't be combing hairs that's not there. Baby, my hair looks nippy. I don't even have nippy hair, y'all. So, you pushing a little too hard on my forehead.
No, it's not. It's the bristles. I be doing that
Bristles
myself.
Just stop.
Okay.
Cause I'm not even tender-headed. I think y'all think my child doing this on purpose.
Your child love you too much to be doing anything to you.
Don't!
Mom, it's the brush. It's the brush part.
Yeah, I gotta go. No.
Day 3.
Yeah, what is this?
It's missing a gap because it's her not, that's supposed to be right there, that's not there. I tried to comb it out, but you was like, it hurt it.
All the excuses. But her stuff don't look like that.
Cause my hair is out. I can pull it out. I got a ponytail. Let me try like this. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, there we go.
Mama, give me that.
Yeah, I'm just throwing on the orange hoodie and then I'm good to go.
Good?
Oh, well, I gotta put my earrings and stuff on. It's okay, I guess.
Mama, stop judging.
I'll be back, y'all, with the finishing look.
You supposed to say it's really pretty.
1 eternity later.
Sweetheart, you brushing hard.
Mommy, I'm not brushing hard. I swear to God. I'm trying to go soft because
I'm sorry, y'all. That's my son in the background, y'all heard.
What?
Y'all see him?
And he's so ugly.
Yeah, don't hate on my son. My son's fine.
I love him.
I look good.
More I hate on him. Look at him come get in the camera.
Don't.
I'm ugly. So I'm ugly. Like why y'all be putting me?
Like, don't be throwing it up in my camera. You don't even know what that is.
Nope.
Y'all, he just throwing up. My son don't know what none of it is. Baby, this look like it's struggling.
Oh
what?
my god!
That's whoever did your edges.
Baby, what is this? What is it?
Want me to just scoop it back up?
Y'all see this? What is it? Why is it there?
Want me to comb it out? Want me to bring some more out?
No, just brush, just move it. Cause why would you even try to lay that?
Cause I didn't want you to have 3 on that side and 2 on this side.
So that means you should have fixed it. See, y'all kids are had y'all going out so bad. Can you just back for a second? Cause I'm a little hot. I don't do baby hairs. I don't even wear this for real.
Stop.
So
I didn't put a lot of gel in your hair.
I asked my daughter to do it because she always run
Let me show him.
her baby hairs.
Can I show him?
And then, like, girl, I'll kick your ass.
Watch your mouth.
I'm the adult. Ain't no wrong with you.
Come on, Mama, let me fix it. I didn't put more gel on it.
3:28 a.m.
This looks stupid and I'm not wearing it. Yeah. She just don't care. Cause like...
Your hair don't want to lay. I swear to God. It's your hair. Look, it's in through the gel.
Don't even worry about it, baby. I gotta figure something out, y'all. Yeah. I don't know what my baby girl tried to do. But I wear edges. Like when I do my edges, she tried to brush them back up in the point. These are old, they coming down. But yeah, when I do my edges, they don't turn out like that. And I don't do edges all the time. But she was like, Mama, let me do your edges. Cause I seen hers. I was like, okay, it's cute or whatever. Baby girl, come here. Yeah. And this is the finished look, guys. I am anxiety. Okay, so our movie started at 7:20. So we're actually on our way out the door. I had to close my blinds. We're actually on our way out the door. Yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, so we made it. We parked the car. There's my kids behind us. And this building is really loud, so y'all probably can't hear me. But this building is extremely loud. It's like some type of fan outside the building. It's blowing heat. So, yeah. Yeah, we downtown.
Wait, Mama, wait. Wait, Mama, wait.
What I'm waiting for, girl?
Can I go pit? Can I go pit? Can I pit that horse?
That's not my horse. You gotta go.
Can you go with me?
Nope. It's beautiful.
Go with me.
Come on. This elevator's right there, but I'd rather not.
What you looking at?
Come on.
I'll wait for my partner to go.
Those chocolate chips just can't be beat.
You okay?
They're gonna be angry.
He said it's not funny.
Can I do it?
Yeah, good.
Come on.
Yeah, good.
You come lean over like this. Come on, Jaden. Jaden, come on. Look at me. You right here and be sad. Now, Keon, you come right here and be happy. Keon, come on.
Keon, this you. Keon, you gotta go like this. No, y'all gotta go like this.
Keon, go like this.
That's me.
Come on, look at me. Come right here and be sad.
I just want y'all go.
I smell it. I can't help it. Or that would be on
Oh, you're the one Coach told us about. Riley, from Michigan, right? It's Minnesota. Do I look orange? Orange is not my color. Not me. Hello, everybody. Oh my gosh, I am just such a huge fan of yours. And now, here I am, meeting you face to face.
We're gonna beg about it.
You ain't gonna make it.
You.
Y'all, so inside out 2, it was good. I definitely rate it a 10 out of 10. But anxiety was really upsetting me. Like, for real. Like, cause why? Why anxiety? Why? But yes. So Inside Out 2 was a 10 out of 10. Did you enjoy it?
Yep, it's a 12 out of 12.
12 out of 12? He give it a 12.
20 out of 20.
He give it a 20.
I rated it
That's Jacoby.
a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. So Inside Out 2 got a 10 out of 10 from us.
What you rate?
I rated it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
It was good. But anxiety did give me like, girl, please, you're doing too much.